Hey everyone, I'm Katie from Addicted to DIY, and today I'm partnering with my friends from Dremel to show you how to make custom personalized gift tags that can also double as Christmas ornaments. These fun little gift tags are a great way to add that extra something to your Christmas gifts this year, and the bonus is that they also can double as a Christmas ornament. For this project, you'll want to use 3-inch embroidery hoops that you're going to want to unscrew almost all the way and separate them. Grab a piece of leather and then trim it to about 3/4 of an inch wide. They don't necessarily have to be perfectly straight, but if you decide that you're not happy with it, feel free to trim up any edges as needed. To add the name to the leather, I used my Dremel stylo tool fitted with the smallest engraving bit. With the tool turned off, I lightly scratched the name into the surface of the leather with the engraving bit. I then turned on the stylo tool and began engraving the name. I recommend turning the speed up to setting 5 for this, as it gives you a little bit more control as you work your way across the leather. Once you've finished engraving the name, grab the embroidery hoop and fit the leather over the upper half of the inside ring. Carefully fit the outer ring over the leather, making sure that it's tight inside the ring. This may take a few tries, but once you have it secured in there, go ahead and tighten the loop. To further embellish this, grab some faux greenery and pull it off of the stems, or use some scissors or wire cutters to cut it free. Also grab some faux berries and snip the stems with wire cutters. To attach the greenery and berries, grab a hot glue gun and add a dab of hot glue to the bottom of the embroidery hoop. Add the greenery to the hot glue and hold it in place until the glue cools. To add the berries, add another dab of hot glue to the bottom of the embroidery hook over the greenery, and again hold it in place until the glue cools. Glue on any more bits of greenery or berries that you like, and hold everything in place. Once the glue is cooled, look around to see if there are any more places that could use an extra dab of glue. To cover up the hot glue, cut a piece of twine about 18 inches long and wrap it around the bottom of the embroidery hoop where the joints are between the greenery. Once you've finished wrapping the twine, tie it off and cut the excess off with scissors. Cut another piece of twine about 8 inches long and run it through the top of the embroidery hoop and tie it off as a way to hang the gift tag / ornament. Special thanks to Dremel for partnering with me on this video today. For more video tutorials just like this one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you hit the bell icon so that you're alerted every time a new video is published. Thanks so much for watching.